emerald green. This is what I got. That's all what the color is. Wow, I really like this color, this emerald green. I need to buy a transparent case so I can keep the color. This is the stylus here. Man, I need an extra hand. Okay, look at this. Awesome. And the most beautiful thing about it is you can just push it back here. You're not going to lose it. If you have a separate thing, like you have to carry it in a different bag or something, then there's a chance you might lose it. I'll see. I need to find a case that can allow me to take the stylus out. So folks, this is an awesome phone, Moto G stylus 5G. There are only few left because this is a 2021 model. It has 256 GB in there, so rush. It's a good Christmas gift too if you want to give somebody. It's just $200.